Good afternoon from sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2021 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This boat is great for just hopping around or for using on a tender on the back of your yacht. This boat has a white hull and a black Mercury FourStroke motor. It has a swim-up ladder for getting in and out of the boat. It's equipped with cup holders. The helm station is simple and easy to use. Has a nice black bimini top to keep you in the shade on those sunny days like today. And up front, there's plenty of storage underneath the seat for any of your fishing needs, towels, beach bags, etc. If you're interested in this boat or any other of our boats here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, please feel free to call us at 239-481-8200 today.